Better Mood presents Why INFJ Women Have No Friends. As you may know, INFJs are one of the rarest personality types, and their empathetic and intuitive nature can sometimes make forming deep connections a bit more challenging. But fear not, we're here to shed some light on this topic and provide insights into why INFJ women might find it difficult to make friends. To begin, let's delve into the INFJ personality type. INFJs are part of the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator mbti, and they are often referred to as the advocate or the confidant. They possess a unique combination of traits that make them excellent listeners, highly empathetic, and deeply insightful. INFJ women are not necessarily friendless, but they might prefer having a few deep and meaningful connections rather than a large circle of casual acquaintances. This preference stems from their desire for authentic and emotionally fulfilling relationships. INFJ women are incredibly sensitive to the emotions and energies of others. Their intuitive abilities allow them to pick up on subtleties that many others might miss. However, this heightened sensitivity can also make them vulnerable to emotional overload, leading to a need for occasional solitude to recharge. Despite their warm and caring nature, INFJ women might struggle with the fear of rejection. Their deep emotional investment in relationships makes them cautious about opening up to new people. The fear of not being understood or accepted for their authentic selves can hold them back from approaching potential friendships. INFJs tend to thrive in deeper, more meaningful conversations rather than engaging in small talk. Unfortunately, most social interactions often involve light banter and casual discussions, which might not resonate with INFJ women. This can create a barrier in forming connections during initial interactions. INFJ women set high standards for their friendships. They seek genuine connections with individuals who share their values, interests, and passion for personal growth. While this might make their friendship circle smaller, it ensures they have authentic and supportive relationships. INFJ women often experience social exhaustion due to their empathetic and nurturing nature. Constantly supporting and caring for others can be draining, leading them to seek solitude to recharge emotionally. If you're an INFJ woman struggling to make friends, remember that you're not alone, and there are ways to overcome these challenges. Embrace your unique personality traits and seek out environments that foster deep and meaningful connections. Focus on quality rather than quantity when it comes to friendships. INFJ women can benefit from joining groups or communities where they can find like-minded individuals who appreciate their authenticity. These spaces provide a safe platform for forming connections based on shared interests and values. In conclusion, the struggle of INFJ women to make friends can be attributed to their unique personality traits, such as their preference for deep connections, sensitivity to emotions, and fear of rejection. By understanding and embracing these traits, INFJ women can navigate the path to meaningful friendships and find solace in their authentic selves. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on personality types and self-discovery. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are not alone on this journey of understanding yourself and others. See you next time.